Namaste students, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to start a very new unit or chapter, that is matrix, which is having a vast application in field of the mathematics. Right, engineering people can also use the matrix in a very good form. Yeah, so matrix is a part of the linear algebra. So today I'll see what is matrix, the types of the matrix with its example. So let's start the definition of the matrix first. Okay, so what is matrix? Matrix is a rectangular arrangement of numbers or element in rows and columns. Students, what is matrix? Matrix is a rectangular arrangement. It is a rectangular arrangement. किसकी rectangular arrangement है? Numbers और elements की किसके अंदर rows and columns के अंदर एक arrangement है. Matrix can be denoted by capital letter A, B, C, etc. It is defined by square bracket. मैट्रिक्स को always capital letter से denote किया जाता है and matrix can be defined by square bracket. For example, A is equals to A, B, C, D. Okay, this is called row 1, this is called row 2, this is called column 1, and similarly this is column 2. Now in this matrix there are 2 rows and 2 columns. Okay, now we'll write another example of the matrix. B is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here students, you can see that there is no comma in between. This is column 1, this is column 2, this is column 3, this is row 1, this is row 2. So this is called row 1 means R1, this is called R2 means row 2, this is called column 1 means C1, this is called column 2 means C2, this is called column 3 means C3. Okay, so in this matrix there are 2 rows and 3 columns. Okay, now let us take one another example of the matrix. C is equals to A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. So students, in this matrix how many rows are there? In this matrix there are 3 rows, row 1, row 2, row 3, and column 1, column 2, columns 3. So in this matrix there are 3 rows and 3 columns. So it is called the order of the matrix. Students, matrix की जितनी भी रो है, जितनी भी कॉलम है, हम उसको बोलेंगे वो मैट्रिक्स का ऑर्डर है. इट इज कॉल्ड द ऑर्डर ऑफ द मैट्रिक्स. नाउ we'll write the definition of order of the matrix. Okay, what is order of the matrix? So we'll write a definition number 2. Order of the matrix. What is order of the matrix? A number of rows and number of columns are called order of the matrix. किसको बोलेंगे हम ऑर्डर ऑफ द मैट्रिक्स? मैट्रिक्स के अंदर जितनी भी रोज है, जितनी भी कॉलम्स है, हम उसको बोलेंगे वो मैट्रिक्स का ऑर्डर है. इट इज डिफाइंड बाय, it is defined by A is equals to A, B, C, D. For example, in this matrix we have 2 rows and 2 columns. So order of this matrix can be defined by 2 by 2, or you can say 2 cross 2. This first 2 always denote row, and this 2 always denotes columns. Okay students, ये rows है और ये कॉलम्स है. जो पहला एलिमेंट रहेगा वो रोज डिफाइन करेगा, दूसरा एलिमेंट जो रहेगा वो कॉलम डिफाइन करेगा. तो इस मैट्रिक्स के अंदर, मैट्रिक्स ए के अंदर देयर इज 1 2, देयर आर 2 रोज, column 1, column 2, there are 2 columns. So we can write order of the matrix in this form 2 by 2. We'll always write the order of the matrix at the bottom of the matrix at right hand side. हम यहाँ पे right hand side corner पे ये always order लिखेंगे 2 by 2. First 2 denotes row and second 2 denotes column. So this is called the order of the matrix. For example, B is equals to, if I write 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So here we have written the matrix 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. How many rows are there students? Now अभी आप भी बता सकते हो कितनी rows है. 1 2 3, there are 3 rows. So यहाँ पे हम लिखेंगे 3. Then 1 2 3, there are 3 columns. Then here we'll write 3 by 3. Then it is called the order of the matrix. इस मैट्रिक्स का ऑर्डर है वो 3 by 3 है. जो फर्स्ट 3 है वो रोज को डिनोट करता है, और जो सेकेंड 3 है वो कॉलम्स को डिनोट करता है स्टूडेंट्स. नाउ इन जनरल वी कैन राइट C is equals to A11, A12, A13 up to A1n. Here A21, A22, A23 up to A2n. If we go like this, we can write A n1, A n2, A n3 up to A nn. So the order of this matrix, इस मैट्रिक्स के अंदर कितनी रो है, तो यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो रो 1, रो 2, रो 3. तो कितनी रो है? n रोज है. Then here we'll write n. n2 कितनी कॉलम है? 1 2 3 up to m. So order of this matrix is n cross m students. So what is A11? This is not A11, mind well. This is A11, A12, A13. So let me explain you what is A11. A11 means the element of first row and first column students. A11 क्या है? ये फर्स्ट रो का और फर्स्ट कॉलम का एलिमेंट्स है. A11 का प्लेस कहाँ पे है? A1 फर्स्ट रो के अंदर है और A1 फर्स्ट कॉलम के अंदर है. सो व्हाट इज A11? दिस वन डिनोट्स रो and this second denotes column. Okay, so A11 is the element. यहाँ पे A11 कुछ भी हो सकता है, 2 3 4 5 6 A B C whatever it may be, but the position of A11 is the element of the first row and first column. Similarly A12, what is A12? First denotes row, second denotes column. So what is A12? A12 is the element of first row and second column. ये किसका एलिमेंट है स्टूडेंट्स? फर्स्ट रो और सेकंड कॉलम। यहाँ पे आप देखो A12, तो A12 जो है वो किसके अंदर है? फर्स्ट रो के अंदर है, और ये फर्स्ट कॉलम सेकंड कॉलम। सो A12 इज इन द सेकंड कॉलम। सो A12 मीन्स फर्स्ट रो second column. So A12 is the element of first row, second column. Similarly, you can write AMN. ये इसकी पोजीशन क्या है? ANM. यहाँ पे हम लिखेंगे ANM. What is the position of ANM? So position of ANM is the element of nth row and mth कॉलम। ये AMN क्या है? पोजीशन कहाँ पे है? nth रो और mth कॉलम पे इसकी पोजीशन है। व्हाट इज द पोजीशन ऑफ AN3? ये कौन सी जगह पे है? n रो थर्ड कॉलम। ये कौन सी जगह पे है? nth रो सेकेंड कॉलम। ये कौन सी जगह पे है? सेकेंड रो nth कॉलम। सो दिस इज हाउ यू कैन राइट द थिंग। ओके फाइन। नाउ हियर ओके, यहाँ पे हम m कर देते हैं m। सो द ऑर्डर ऑफ दिस इज n क्रॉस m। फाइन। ओके, नाउ we'll see next definition, that is number 3, that is square matrix. So what is square matrix? हम square matrix किसको बोलेंगे? a matrix in which there are same or equal number of rows and columns. So matrix in which there are equal number of rows and columns. ऐसा मैट्रिक्स जिसके अंदर रो भी और कॉलम दोनों सेम हो। फॉर एग्जाम्पल A is equals to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So A is equals to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Square matrix किसको बोलेंगे हम? A matrix in which there are same or equal number of rows and columns. यहाँ पे कितनी rows है? This is row 1, this is row 2, this is row 3, this is column 1, this is column 2, this is column 3. So what is the order of this matrix? The order of this matrix can be 3 by 3, क्योंकि इसके अंदर 3 rows है और 3 columns है. Let us take one another example. B, A, B, C, D. Then what is the order of this matrix? The order of this matrix is 2 by 2. In this matrix there are 2 rows and 2 columns. This is row 1, row 2, column 1, column 2. So the order of this matrix is 2 cross 2. This 2 denotes rows and this 2 denotes column. जो फर्स्ट एलिमेंट है वो रो कितनी है वो डिफाइन करता है, और जो सेकेंड एलिमेंट है वो कितनी कॉलम है मैट्रिक्स के अंदर वो डिफाइन करता है. सो दिस इज द डेफिनेशन ऑफ द स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स स्टूडेंट्स. नाउ विल सी डेफिनेशन नंबर 4, दैट इज जीरो मैट्रिक्स. हम किसको बोलेंगे जीरो मैट्रिक्स? द नेम इट सेल्फ सजेस्ट जीरो मैट्रिक्स. अ मैट्रिक्स in which the elements of the matrix are जीरो. किसको बोलेंगे हम जीरो मैट्रिक्स? मैट्रिक्स के अंदर जो एलिमेंट्स है वो जीरो है, सभी एलिमेंट्स जीरो है. अ मैट्रिक्स इन विच ऑल द एलिमेंट्स आर जीरो. अ मैट्रिक्स इन विच the all the elements of the matrix are zero, then it is called zero मैट्रिक्स. देन इट इज कॉल्ड जीरो मैट्रिक्स. किसको बोलेंगे स्टूडेंट्स जीरो मैट्रिक्स? मैट्रिक्स के अंदर सभी एलिमेंट जीरो है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल A is equals to 0 0 0 0. Then what is the order of this matrix? The order of this matrix is 2 by 2. क्यों 2 by 2 है? क्योंकि इसके अंदर दो रोज है और दो columns है. So order of this matrix is 2 by 2, but the elements of the matrix is 0. So this is called a zero matrix. Okay. Now we'll see the another definition, that is definition number 4, right? Okay, definition number 5. The definition number 5 is diagonal matrix, right? Diagonal matrix. So what is diagonal matrix? A matrix in which the principal diagonal entries are a matrix in which the principal diagonal entries are non-zero and other entries are zero, is called diagonal मैट्रिक्स. हम किसको बोलेंगे स्टूडेंट्स डायगोनल मैट्रिक्स? अ मैट्रिक्स इन विच द प्रिंसिपल डायगोनल एंट्री. I'll define what is principal diagonal entry. Say for example A is equals to 1 0 0 0 2 0 0 0 3. So what is the order of this matrix? The order of this matrix is 3 by 3. Okay, now let's see the definition. A matrix in which the principal diagonal, this is called principal diagonal. This is called principal diagonal, and this diagonal is called secondary diagonal. The diagonal which starts from left side top to right side bottom is called principal diagonal, and the diagonal which starts from left side bottom to right side top, then this is called a secondary diagonal. So what the definition says, a matrix in which the principal diagonal entries are non-zero. Non-zero means ये जो principal diagonals की entry है ये zero नहीं होनी चाहिए, zero के अलावा कुछ भी होनी चाहिए. So here we have written 1 2 3, it is non-zero, and other entries are zero. Other entries are zero means इस तीन के सिवा सभी entry है वो zero होनी चाहिए. So this is 0 0 0 0 0 0. Then this matrix is called the diagonal matrix. स्टूडेंट्स आपको याद रखना है कि डायगोनल मैट्रिक्स हम किसको बोलेंगे. डायगोनल मैट्रिक्स हम उसको बोलेंगे जिसके अंदर प्रिंसिपल डायगोनल एंट्री है वो नॉन ज़ीरो है, एंड जो डायगोनल एंट्री है सेकेंडरी वो यहाँ पे उसके अलावा सब एंट्री है वो सब ज़ीरो है. प्रिंसिपल डायगोनल की एंट्री नॉन ज़ीरो होनी चाहिए. फॉर एग्जाम्पल b is equals to, we'll write -1 0 0 -2. So what is the order of this matrix? Order of this matrix is 2 by 2. यहाँ पे आप देखोगे this is principal diagonal and this entry is non-zero, that is -1 -2, and other entries are 0. Then it is called a diagonal matrix. So this is a definition of the diagonal matrix. Fine. So in this video we have seen first definition, it was matrix. The second one is order of a matrix. Third definition is zero matrix. Fourth definition was square matrix. And the fifth definition was diagonal matrix. And we have seen the example of this 5 definition. So I hope that this part is clear to everyone, right? If there is a doubt into that, you just refer the video again and check out the definition. This is very easy. Matrix क्या है, order of a matrix क्या है, zero matrix क्या है, square matrix क्या है, and diagonal matrix क्या है. And this is how you can define the matrices. Okay, thank you very much.